Okay, hey everyone. This is from my channel, Artsy Curvy Creations, and I'm bringing to you another unpacking. The items that I'm going to be showing you today came from this company that I did a reverse image search for. The Posh Paper Lady had some paper, maybe I think it was July that she posted, that were very inspirational, especially, for people of color. And I decided to go on, I found this site that had the same similar paper, which I also have that on order as well. The company is called Society 6, and in the link, I'll be providing you with the information about the company as well as a discount so you can also order and get some money off. This first page that I'm showing you, the size of these are rather large, in which I am very impressed of how many things I can get done with this paper. I'm a paper crafter, so this is basically the wrapping paper, but this same image can also be placed on notebooks. You can order mugs from them, artwork, and what is good about this website, it's done by independent artists, and when you place your order, you're helping the artist make money. So that's another good thing about this paper. This particular wrapper paper that we're looking at right now is called Mask Party, and as you can see, they all come in 5 sheets, which is pretty cool. The next one that I have here that I received is called Black and White Mud Cloth. And this particular paper also comes with 5 sheets. And you can order, like I said, in fabric as well. The fabrics are about 51 inch by 60. So that's a little over 4 yards of 60-inch width fabric that you can use to make beautiful pillows or bags or whatnot. So it's a pretty cool website that you can make your purchases from. The other paper that I ordered, this one is called, I believe it's Watercolor. Yeah, loose watercolor bouquet. Very beautiful, very serene paper. I can't wait to work with this particular one. And last but not least, this one is my favorite. I didn't realize how big the images were, but I might save one of the pages and use it as a poster. This particular one is called Baker's Dozen. So, like I said, they have a lot of beautiful artwork on there. My wish list is packed to capacity. I think I might have saved like 81 different images from this site. So, and like I said, it comes in 5 sheets each when you order. This particular, all the papers that you've just that I've just revealed were in packs of 5s, and the pricing was only $8.50 per each one. So that is an excellent bargain if you want to go out and check them out. I believe right now, from the last email I received, they were having a 30% off sale. But like I said, I'll also be posting down in the description a code that you can use so you can get $10 off. I don't know if you can use the combination of 30% off and the discount, but just read carefully before placing your order. Thank you very much for reviewing with me, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.